Good morning, children. Today in history, we are going to look into the part 2 of the European invasions. In the previous class, we saw about the material sources, the archives, and the coins that are left by the Europeans, which proved their existence in India. Today, we'll look furthermore into it. First, we are going to look about the Portuguese. Amongst the entire European nations, Portuguese was the foremost to make a dynamic attempt towards India. They wanted to buy spices from India and sell them in Europe in order to make money. Prince Henry of Portugal, who was commonly called as the navigator, although he was neither a sailor nor a navigator, but he sponsored a great deal of exploration along the west coast of Africa and also encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life. Thus, he was called so. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa in 1487. He was patronized by King John II. Vasco da Gama. After Christopher Columbus lost his way to India, Vasco da Gama, another Portuguese sailor, started from Lisbon and reached the southernmost point of Africa, and he continued his journey to Mozambique, from where he sailed to India. He reached Calicut at 1498, and the Zamorin of Calicut, which means the king of Calicut, welcomed him warmly. There he purchased a lot of Indian spices to sell in the Portugal market. Vasco da Gama came to India for the second time in 1501 with 20 ships and founded a trading center at Cananur. Slowly, they started to establish factories at Calicut and Cochin. Cochin was the first capital of Portuguese East Indian Company. The third voyage of Vasco da Gama was in the year 1524, after he was named the Admiral of India. He soon fell ill and died in December 1524 at Christmas Eve in Cochin. Francisco de Almeida. In 1505, Francisco de Almeida was sent as the first governor of India. Almeida aimed to develop the naval power of Portugal in India. His policy was called the Blue Water Policy, that is, he wanted to establish the Portuguese kingdom in the Indian Ocean. Almeida tried to stop the Arabs' invasion with the trade routes in Indian Ocean. This was threatening the Venetian interest as well because the Portuguese were not ready to share the spices that they have got from the Indian market at a lesser price. Unable to oppose the Portuguese intervention, the Muslim communities in India, the Zamorin, sent a message to pleading for an aid against the Portuguese. The Egypts were ruled by the Mamelukes at that time. The Sultan accepted to join hands with the allies, and they had a big battle at Chaul. The allies won the battle, and in this battle, Almeida's son Lorenzo de Almeida was killed. Later, on Feb 1509, Almeida defeated the allies in a naval battle near Diu. Portuguese claimed the naval supremacy in Asia. Alfonso de Albuquerque. The real founder of the Portuguese power in India was Alfonso de Albuquerque. He captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur, Ibrahim Adil Shah II, on November 1510. He encouraged the Portuguese to marry Indian women. He maintained a friendly relationship with the Vijayanagar Empire. Nino de Quina. Governor Nino de Quina moved the capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. In 1534, he acquired Basin from Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. In 1537, the Portuguese occupied Diu. Later, they captured Daman from the local chiefs of Gujarat. In 1548, they occupied Salsette. Thus, during the 16th century, the Portuguese succeeded in capturing Goa, Diu, Daman, Salsette, Basin, Chaul, and Bombay on the western coast, Hooghly on the Bengal coast, and Santhome on the Madras coast. The Portuguese brought the cultivation of tobacco in India. Due to the influence of Portuguese, Catholic religion spreaded in certain regions on the Indians' western and eastern coast. The printing press was set up in Goa at 1556. A scientific book on Indian medicinal plants by a European writer was printed at Goa in 1563. In the 17th century, the Portuguese power began to decline to the Dutch, and by 1739 they lost all their power, and what they had left was only Goa, Diu, and Daman.